decorating glossary, this time for woodwork paints. So I really wanted to cover this one because quite often I get customers in the shop that come and ask me for gloss paint but in a satin finish. Gloss and satin are both the finish type of woodwork paint, and the other one that you'll hear a lot is eggshell. So let's take a quick look at them. So first up is gloss, as I feel like it's the term you guys will recognise the most. It is a high sheen finish of around 80%. It is the least popular of the three finishes that I'm going to talk about today, but there is still definitely a place for gloss. So next up is satin, really popular finish. Misconception is people think satin isn't as durable as gloss. Not the case, and it's around about a 40% sheen. And finally, we'll talk about eggshell, which is around about a 15 to 18% sheen, really becoming possibly the most popular. It's a toss-up between this and satin. So there you have it, that's your main woodwork paint finishes. You can also get matte now for woodwork, but I'm going to cover that in a separate glossary. Any questions, as always, just pop them below.